Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I'm so happy that you're joining me today, and I really hope you're doing well and staying on your health journey. Before I start, I just want to remind you, remember to subscribe and of course share my YouTube channel. I love getting your comments. Please like and of course share my channel because sharing is caring and we want to get everybody on a health journey. My Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa for extra support, and on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. So I'm excited because one of my favorite times of the year is Halloween season or the fall pumpkin season. But really you can enjoy pumpkin stuff all year round. So today I'm going to teach you a very simple recipe making pumpkin, pure pumpkin, and they are going to be delicious pumpkin high protein waffles. Who doesn't love waffles? The great thing is you can eat them for breakfast, for brunch, for lunch, as a snack, or even as a dessert. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is I have my Dash little mini grills. I have a cute heart one and a round one that I've already plugged in. You can see the steam. And I like to spray it really well. So if you don't spray it really well, they're going to stick. I'm not going to lie. Afterwards, I like to just use a brush or a cloth and just wipe them off, and they clean really easy. And I bought these on Amazon, really cheap, but you can use a regular waffle iron as well, okay? So what are you going to need? I have an extra large or large egg that I like to whisk. And I have a 1/4 cup of egg whites. It's going to make it nice and fluffy. Of course, the pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, pure pumpkin. I'm sorry I got rid of the can, but it's pure pumpkin and I'm using a 1/2 cup. Okay, and you can buy it anywhere. All grocery stores, most grocery stores sell it. And just whisk that in. Next, I'm using some pumpkin pie spice seasoning, and I'm using about 2 teaspoons. And if you like more, you can add more. And what I like to do sometimes after I make them is I like to sprinkle it on top and in my Cool Whip or my whipped cream if I decide to use. Now, I'm using Flourish Pancake and Waffle mix. You can use Kodiak if you don't have this, but this is really delicious. You can get the vanilla or you can get the regular. It's super high in protein, 23 grams. And for those of you on WW, it's 4 smart points for a 1/2 cup. So that's really good. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of milk. And the thing is that if it's too thick, you can always add a little bit more milk or some water. And I'm going to just sprinkle in some cinnamon, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Depends on if you love cinnamon, you can add more cinnamon, okay? And a little bit of salt to bring out the flavor. And I like it to be a nice batter consistency, you can see. And then if you want, you don't have to, but if you want, I'm just adding in some fruit. So I'm adding about a 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of some fresh or frozen blueberries. If you want anything else in it, some sugar-free chocolate chips or some almonds or seeds, pumpkin seeds would be amazing in it. Hello, pumpkin. So that's an option too. And you know that all my ingredients and directions are under each video. Okay, so here it is. Here's the mixture. And then what I like to do is move this out of my way. And I like to use about a 1/4 cup when I'm measuring. So make sure this is nice and hot. You'll see it's nice and steamy. And this should make about 6 or 7 mini waffles. But you'll see afterwards that they're not that mini. And don't fill it too much because you don't want it to overflow. I think I put a little bit too much in that one. Just going to take some out. And just So you're just gonna do that and cover it and let it cook, okay? So my tip to you is don't open it up. What you'll see is a bunch of steam when it's ready, okay? And it takes about 2 minutes. So you can time it for about 2 minutes. You'll see that they're gonna come out perfect. And when they're done, I'm gonna show you how they look, all right? And I'll be back. And here they are. Look at how beautiful they look. A nice orange color from the pumpkin puree, the round one, and here is the heart-shaped one. And I got 8 beautiful waffles. Look at that. Why do I have this cup? Because I like to put a little bit of sugar-free whipped cream, or sometimes I use ultralight Cool Whip. Okay, why not? You can drizzle your favorite sauce over it, or if you have your favorite syrup. I love the Joseph syrup, but I don't have any right now. And then, like I mentioned, sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on top, right? Hello, it's pumpkin. And here are the waffle makers. So here's the heart-shaped one, and here is the round one. They're cooling off right now, and they cool off pretty quickly. I love Dash. I bought them on Amazon, like $20. But like I said, you can use a regular grill. So I hope you love this simple, high protein, delicious, nutritious, versatile, guilt-free recipe. Don't forget to comment, like, share. I love hearing from you guys. And when you post them, make sure you take a nice picture and tag me, because I love when you share my recipes and show my pictures. So that's it. Enjoy. And oh my God, they are so yummy. And I wish you were here to taste them, but you're gonna make them yourself, right? And take care. I love you guys. Oh, and don't forget my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, and on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, for lots of podcasts and tons of recipes, all right? Behave yourself and enjoy this recipe and all my other ones. Bye for now.